I just had to let you know you're.
Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. I am Asli and today we're going to discuss authentic idea and even Asian University, or better we know as AIE, which is an event management company based on Kuching, Sarawak. In today event industry, companies are no longer judged only by how successful or entertaining their event are, but today people also become more aware of sustainability, social responsibility, and the impact that event can have on community and the environment. So in this podcast, we will discuss how AIEE can improve and grow through better planning, strong operation, and sustainable practice. We also especially focus on scenario planning, value chain analysis, and social network, and also knowledge management. At the same time, we also connect this decision with SDG 11 and SDG 17, which is focused on sustainable communities and partnership. So, let's begin with scenario planning.
Hello everyone, I'm Asna and I will be explaining the scenario part by AIEE. So, for even company like AIEE, this strategy is really important because the event industry can be very unpredictable and risky sometimes. There are so many external factors that the company cannot fully control, but they still need to prepare for them professionally. One major challenge faced by AIE is the weather condition in Kuching, especially heavy raining and flooding, since many events involve outdoor setup and technical equipments. Unexpected weather can suddenly interrupt the whole event even after the all preparation has already been completed. This can also affect the schedule, customer satisfaction, and also increase operational costs. Besides, AIEE also faces issues like last-minute client cancellation, sudden changes in event budgets because of the economic uncertainty, and strong competition from other event companies in Sarawak that offer similar service. Instead of reacting after the problem happens, scenario planning helps the company to prepare earlier, think ahead, and reduce possible risks or loss before the situation becomes worse. For example, in a base case scenario, AIEE can expand their client network, hire more experienced crew members, and invest in a better equipment such as lighting system, audio system, and even technology to improve the quality of their services. But in a worst case scenario, the company can focus more on smaller but higher profit events and strengthen their contract by requiring non-refundable deposit from clients to reduce financial loss caused by the cancellation. Overall, scenario planning helps AIE to become more flexible and more prepared for uncertainties and more competitive in event management industry for the long term.
Hello, my name is Isnata Wong and I will continue with the improvement section for the value chain analysis. In terms of improvement, there are several ways AIE can strengthen their value chain while becoming more sustainable. One improvement is working more closely with the local suppliers and vendors. This can help reduce transportation costs, improve communication, and at the same time support local businesses and communities. Besides that, AIE can improve their branding by promoting eco-friendly event concepts. Nowadays, many clients are becoming more interested in companies that care about sustainability and environmental responsibility. Another important area is technology and equipment. AIE can slowly introduce more reusable materials and energy sufficiency system for their events. For example, reusable booth structure and digital ticketing system can help reduce paper waste and unnecessary material usage during events. This improvement may seem small at first, but over time they can strengthen the company's image and create long-term benefits for both business and the environment. So overall, improving the value chain is not only about making operations smoother, but it's also about building more sustainable future for the company.
Hi everyone, my name is Nasharuddin Safwan bin Senin and I will be explaining the social network and knowledge management section. Social networks and knowledge management are also very important for a company like AIEE. In the event industry, strong relationship with the clients, suppliers, and partners can greatly influence the business success. Based on the company background, AIEE already has strong connection with the government agencies, private companies, local communities, and technical crews. This relationship helps the company to secure more projects and maintain the long-term partnership. For example, when clients are satisfied with the previous event, they are more likely to work with the company again in the future. AIEE also learns from the challenges such as like weather disruption and last-minute cancellations, that allowing them to improve their contingency planning for future events. Overall, strong social networks and continuous learning helps AIEE be competitive and adaptable in a rapidly changing industry.
Hello again, this is Priscilla Anarigan and my metric number is 1000799. So overall, we can see that IEE already has strong experience and potential in the event management industry. However, through better scenario planning, stronger value chain management, and effective social networks and knowledge management, the company can continue improving and adapting to future challenges. At the same time, introducing more sustainable practice can also strengthen the company's reputation and create positive impact for both the community and environment. All of these efforts are closely connected to SDG 11, which focus on sustainable cities and communities, as well as SDG 17, which emphasize partnerships and collaboration. That's all from our podcast today. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoy our discussion.